smoke it blew us from New York Harbor. Away out, waves breaking on, oh, cutting down into south water. We swept over the line with Neptune's like the Polly's deal. With the deal they were stuck. Soon we'd be the same, though no prize. After at least they got drunk after their dog. Amphitrite's beauty was all too real. Amphitrite's beauty was all too real. September, springtime, and hookers we chance set us to the ceiling slaughter. The shallop flew and my lance danced, making a living